So we're going to work on the inside chop now. I generally use this off the back hand. You could do the inside chop off the lead hand, but it's actually very hard to catch any sort of target. So what's happening is, this is a very specific move for very specific attacks. It's very hard to use any other way. What's happening is I'm actually going to step in when I do this. As I step in, I'm going to let my center and my hips take, and I'm going in the same direction. Fingers slightly curved. This is mainly how Brittany's going to throw a hook. Okay? I'm going to step in. Okay? And I'm going across. This is a scissor motion. Blocking and striking at the same time. Come here. We also have another technique, same thing, I just call it the inside slash, where you're attacking. And I'm going to slash across the eyes, letting my hip and my center come out. This, again, everybody, street only, devastating. This could actually blind somebody. So I'm going to hook. Hooking. That's it. Very specific attacks. There's not many opportunities for the inside chop to work. Come here. That's it. So he's going for the ice pick, again, diverting it out here. Notice how this is happening, okay? Again, I'm here, hands are up. This motion to the neck, here, following through, or to the eyes. Notice how this is going to go right into his eyes through his glasses, okay? Pretty much no matter what I do, he's in trouble. Okay, again.
A little faster?
Yeah. And I just got him in the eye. Again, for the second time, everybody.
Well, this time I was ready.
He's ready because he knows my aim is terrible tonight. Slow.
Okay, so slow.
Here we are. Trust myself tonight. This is the motion. Okay, either to the neck or to the eyes. I've recently been getting comments about this to the neck might damage my hand. However, this is a very safe place to hit with your hand because you're hitting a soft area.
And honestly, if you're hitting with just the edge of your hand like this, you can hit a pretty hard surface.
You definitely can. And we actually train to hit hard surfaces, so I can actually hit bricks and different things with my hand. So.
But the idea, especially with a knife, is that you can chop on the side of the neck, or especially do that eye rake, stun them just enough that you can get away.
Always with a knife, you have to go as quick as you can. Get away from the situation as quick as you can.